just, why would you do it without cupcake liners?
I'm a one.
So in this video, I'm going to be making blueberry muffins. So first I'm starting off with 2 cups of spelt flour, regular whole wheat spelt flour, and then I'm following that up with 2 cups of white spelt flour. I like going half and half because I like the color that it gives the muffins in the final result. And then I'm going in with half a teaspoon of sea salt. Gonna give that a mix to make sure that it's not overly salty in one place. Then I'm gonna make some quick hemp milk, which is just gonna be 2 cups of water to about 1/3 of a cup of hemp seeds. And we're gonna blend that for like a minute. Alright, so when you get your hemp milk, I like to pour that into a separate bowl because the recipe that we're working with makes about 24 muffins, and that's a lot. So I put the wet ingredients in one bowl and the dry ingredients in another. So now I'm putting brown sugar, 1.5 cups of brown sugar into the wet bowl just to help it to dissolve. And then following that up with 2/3 of a cup of grapeseed oil. Next, I'm putting in 2 teaspoons of Ceylon cinnamon. And then I'm going in with some homemade sea moss gel. It's about 1/8 of a cup. Giving that all a good mix, and then I go and rinse my blueberries. And now it's time to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And I'm mixing until just combined because you don't want to overmix it and then make it very dry and tough. And now everything is mostly mixed. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the blueberries and give that a good mix in. A little bit of extra blueberries. And I have my muffin pan set up to the side. If you don't have cupcake liners, I suggest you get them because it makes everything so much easier. It's less to clean. It's just, why would you do it without cupcake liners? And then when everything is filled up, I like to go and put a little bit of agave, drizzle a little bit of agave on every single muffin. There isn't any sugar or anything like that in the hemp milk, which would have made it a bit sweeter, or any vanilla, so the agave gives it that extra flavor. And also want to top it with some hemp seeds. I love topping stuff with hemp seeds because it's just perfect topping and makes it look cute and it's healthy. Has your omega-3s and your omega-6s. And then I want to go in and also put in a bit of brown sugar on top. It caramelizes really, really pretty. It gives it like a brown caramel topping. And this is how everything came out. And Donovan and I, we body these. That's why I went from making 12 muffins at a time to 24. And here's how everything came out.
Top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. What you doing tomorrow? If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman.